What is that they say? Pan slowly. Oh, I didn't bring any pans up here. I brought my bag. Or someday it might be Tina's bag. I brought steaks and put them on the grill, but we decided not to cook on the grill. I used the steaks instead and drove them in the ground. And yeah, I'm a little bit out of breath, knees. I've been up and down the hill 3 times. No, I don't want to smoke. Well, I got one thing better. No, I don't want a cigar. It looks like a cigar. You know, I smoked vanilla cigars for a long time. Now, I seem to have switched to cinnamon. They're not very cheap. They're like $1.20 each. Getting used to the taste. I will say this, they're kind of hard to keep lit. Alright, so I'm up on top of my world, well, my county. There is supposed to be another survey marker that would probably point back this way. Well, I did my best Cub Scout maneuvers. And I did the best I could going down that hill through all that brush. It took a while. I've been out here for almost going on an hour trying to do this. As near as I can tell, almost exactly 90 meters away is another marker. Doesn't look anything like this one. It's just an orange, looks like an orange ribbon, probably on top of an iron rod, and it is right in the exact center of Algoma Avenue. Exactly that direction. That part I can tell you for sure. Is it 90 meters? Oh my, it's pretty close. But I can't take my tape all the way because there happens to be a fence line that intersects it. And no, I'm not gonna try to trespass, even though it's a short corner. I'd still need to get permission from probably this farmer down here. Nah, I'm not going to do that today. I'm kind of tuckered out. I think it's time to go home. Plus, I may need to still help Dennis with his with the fan on his cooling fan on his car. There's a guy down below. He's doing some metal detecting, so I may go and chat with him. I didn't bring my metal detector today. I probably should have. But as said, it's time to go home. Maybe help Dennis and get these 2 parts uploaded. We'll call this part 3. Okay, so we haven't maybe located the exact same thing, but maybe in the near future I can talk to the Roadworks division or somebody and find out if that's the actual other marker that this geodesic, you know, the U.S. Coast and Geodetic survey is pointing to. All right, that closes out part 3 of the Fisk knob adventure. Fair winds and smiles. Oh, and give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. And may God bless. Talk to you later.